In the sun-scorched sands of ancient Egypt, where the Nile River wound its way through the desert, stood the colossal structures of the pharaohs, the pyramids. These awe-inspiring monuments, towering over the landscape, were not mere architectural wonders but a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. The construction of these pyramids, most notably the Great Pyramid of Giza, was a feat that baffled the world for centuries. How did the ancient Egyptians manage to move massive stone blocks, some weighing several tons, and erect them with such precision? The secrets of their building techniques have captivated historians, archaeologists, and engineers for millennia. The ancient Egyptians, under the rule of Pharaoh Khufu, embarked on the construction of the Great Pyramid around 2580 BC. The workforce was a vast conglomerate of skilled laborers, slaves, and prisoners of war, numbering in the tens of thousands. The project was overseen by a team of architects, engineers, and foremen, with Imhotep, the vizier of Khufu, as the mastermind behind the grand design. The construction process was a testament to the Egyptians' advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy. The pyramid's design, with its four sides aligned to the cardinal directions, was intended to reflect the cosmic order. The slope of the pyramid sides was calculated to ensure the even distribution of weight and to prevent collapse. The most intriguing aspect of the pyramid's construction was the transportation and placement of the massive stone blocks. These blocks, known as casing stones, were made of limestone and each weighed an average of 2.5 tons. The ancient Egyptians used a combination of basic tools, such as copper chisels and wooden levers, to cut and move the stones. They also employed a sophisticated system of ramps and sledges to transport the stones to their intended positions. As the pyramid took shape, the Egyptians faced a significant challenge. The ever-increasing weight and height of the structure made it increasingly difficult to transport and place the casing stones. To overcome this, they devised an ingenious solution. They used a series of internal ramps carved into the pyramid's core. These ramps were designed to be gradually dismantled as the pyramid grew, allowing the workers to reach higher levels. The construction of the Great Pyramid was not without its setbacks. Worker deaths were common, and the project faced periods of halt due to natural disasters, such as flooding and political instability. Despite these challenges, the pyramid was completed under Khufu's reign, standing as a symbol of his power and immortality. The completion of the Great Pyramid marked a pinnacle in ancient Egyptian architecture and engineering. The secrets of the pyramid builders, passed down through generations, have continued to inspire and challenge modern engineers and historians. The pyramids of Egypt remain a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians, standing as monuments to their past and a legacy for the ages. In the end, the pyramids serve as a powerful reminder of the achievements of our ancestors and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. They stand as a testament to the power of determination, the importance of collaboration, and the enduring legacy of ancient Egypt.